Hi. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have came back with another video in front of you. In previous video I told that I will come back with another new video. 10 medicinal plants part 3. So I come back. In this video I will show you more 10 medicinal plants with its name, medicinal properties and try out or how to use it. So if you want to learn their names, uses, medicinal properties and how to use it properly, so don't skip the video and watch till end because every moment is important. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload from us. So let's start the video. 10 medicinal plants. Number 10, Indian Madder or Mangishka. Medicinal properties, effective for acne, pimples, boils and eczema. Try out, for acne, pimples, boils, eczema, apply an amalgamation of Mangishka with red sandalwood powder, turmeric, Cotton Fuller's Earth Multani Mitti on the affected area. Number 9, Coriander or Dhania. Medicinal properties, coriander aids digestion, reduces flatulence and improves appetite. It helps relieving spasms within the gut and counters the effects of nervous tension. It is applied externally as a lotion for rheumatic pain. Coriander essential oil is used in the manufacture of perfumes, cosmetics and dentifrices. Try out, for digestive disorder, add 2 teaspoons of coriander juice to fresh buttermilk and take it before meal. Number 8, is Abgal or psyllium husk. Medicinal properties, effective for constipation, piles, dysentery, abdominal pain. Try out, for constipation, soak 2 tablespoons of this Abgal in milk or water and have it before going to bed. Number 7, Tirayata or Swarsha bitter. Medicinal properties, reduces fever. Try out, for treating fever, boil the herb and filter it. Take this infusion twice after meal. Number 6, Clove or Lavang. Medicinal properties, stimulant and effective in relieving flatulence, cholera, coughs, asthma and headaches. Cloves promote enzymatic flow and boost digestive functioning. It is also useful for treating cholera. 4 grams of cloves are boiled in 3 liters of water until half the water has evaporated, taken in drafts, will check severe symptoms of the disease. Chewing a clove with a crystal of common salt eases expectoration, relieves the irritation in the throat and stops cough. A paste of clove and salt crystals in milk is a common household remedy for headaches. Number 5, Radish or Mully. Medicinal properties, radish stimulates the appetite and the digestion. The juice of the black radish is drunk to counter gassy indigestion and constipation. Black radish juice has a tonic and laxative action on the intestines, and indirectly stimulates the flow of bile. Number 4. Indian snake root or sarpagandha. Medicinal properties: it contains reserpine, a substance now widely used to lower blood pressure and lessen some symptoms of mental illness. 1 gram of the powdered root can be taken twice for insanity. The root has a pronounced sedative and depressive effect on the sympathetic nervous system. Also useful for hysteria and urticaria. It may also be used to treat anxiety and insomnia, as well as more serious mental health problems such as psychosis.
Number 3. Quinine or chinconofsinase. Medicinal properties: used to treat malaria. Quinine is bitter, astringent. Eliminates skin infection. It is digestive, antipyretic and cardioatonic. Number 2. Tea. Medicinal properties: tea tree, and in particular its essential oil, is one of the most important natural antiseptics. Useful for stings, burns, wounds and skin infections of all kinds, the herb merits a place in every medicine chest. Its therapeutic properties include antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral.
Number 1. Rose. Medicinal properties: the essential oil, called attar of rose, is used in aromatherapy as a mildly sedative, antidepressant and anti-inflammatory remedy. Rose petals and their preparations have a similar action. They also reduce high cholesterol levels. Rose water is mildly astringent, and makes a valuable lotion for inflamed and sore eyes. So viewers, I guess that you have understood it properly. So now I am ending my video here. I will came back with another medicinal plants video part 4 soon. If you want to see 10 medicinal plants part 4, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload from us. Friends, if you like the video, please give a like and comment how much did you like the video. If you need any education video of your content, please comment us. We will respond. Thanks for watching. Goodbye friends, stay well and stay healthy. Stay safe.